This is a quick unboxing video of the Beats PowerBeats Pro. These are the latest sports headphones from Beats. They come in a true wireless design and have near hook design and water protection. So let's see if we can unbox this. This is the bottom. Already lift this up. There you go. So we're left with another box, another bottom. There you go. So this is the charging case. It's pretty big, but the earbuds aren't small themselves. The lightning port. Let's open this up. Okay, here we go. So the first thing I notice, the case, the top is wobbly. Not sure if I like that. Feels a bit cheap. So these are the earbuds. Nice flexible ear hooks, physical controls, which is what I like. Sturdy yet lightweight. So these look very nice. But we have one more box that we have to open. So this seems to be a cover. There you go. And here we have additional ear tips and a charging cable. It's a lightning charging cable, plus the user manual. So yeah, this is everything that you get in the box. We will make the full review of these. Please check it out, and thank you for watching.